देखिए, in this question it's given that simplify and solve. Even if it is not told, and if the question goes like this, solve this equation, then the same thing is to be done. Because the simplification we have already done in the previous questions. While doing the question, this type of activity we have already done it. Anyway, when it is given simplify and solve, then we have to respect the way question has been given. So simplify, because without simplifying you cannot do it. So anyway, it has been just given a hint to you that at first you have to simplify and then you have to solve the question. In this, solve the equation. So here you see, if you get this 3 inside, it is 3t, and 3 into 3, it is how much? Minus 9. We already done it. And 5 into 10, it is 10t, and here it is plus 5. What you have done? 3 into t minus 3 is equal to 5 into 2t plus 3, it is 10, and plus 5. 10t this side. So what you will have? 3t minus 10t is equal to 5 plus 9. Minus 9 goes to right hand side. Plus 10t comes this side, minus 10t. This is equal to minus 7t is equal to 14. Therefore, t is equal to 14 by minus 7, which is equal to minus 2. So the answer is t is equal to minus 2. प्रश्न आपको दिया हुआ है कि इसको सरल करिए और फिर इसको सॉल्व करिए. सरल करना मतलब 3 से मल्टीप्लाई किया हो गया, 5 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया, टी वालों को एक साथ कर दिया, सभी अंकों को एक साथ लेके चले गए. ये 14 हो गया, ये माइनस 70 हो गया. टी का मान 14 बटा माइनस 7 हुआ, दैट इज इक्वल टू माइनस 2. सो टी का मान माइनस 2 हो, यही इसका सोल्यूशन है. यू आर गिवन एन इक्वेशन 15 inside the bracket y minus 4 minus 2 inside the bracket y minus 9 plus 5 inside the bracket y plus 6 is equal to 0. The same question, you have to simplify and solve this equation. Simplify means what? The distributive property. You have to respect the sign and the numbers. So what actually you can write here? You can have 15y minus 15 into 4. 15 into 4, 60. So it is 15y minus 60. Get these 2 inside. So it is minus 2y, and this minus minus plus how much? 18. This 5 inside. So you will have 5y, and 5 into 6, 30 is equal to 0. If you want, you can write 15y minus 2y plus 5y is equal to, if you want, get this 60 that side, 60 minus 18 minus 30. If you want, you could have simplified also. It's not, you have to do like this only. What you will have? This is equal to 13y plus 5y is equal to 30 minus 18, 60 minus 30, 18. This is equal to 18y is equal to 12. So y is equal to 12 by 18, meaning 6 2 ja, 6 3 ja. So y is equal to 2 by 3. Here is the solution. y is equal to 2 by 3 क्या हुआ? Solution हुआ. देखिए क्या किया गया. सिंप्लीफाई करना था, 5 को अंदर लेके आए तो 5y हो गया, 15 को अंदर लेके आए तो 15y हुआ, 15 चौके 60 हुआ, माइनस 2 है, माइनस प्लस 18 हो गया, 5y हुआ, 5 छके 30 हुआ. सभी y वालों को एक साथ कर दिया तो 15y, क्योंकि वेरिएबल यहाँ पर चर जो है वो y है. 15y 2y प्लस 15 5y हो गया, 60 उधर चला गया प्लस हो गया, प्लस माइनस 18 हुआ, माइनस 30 हो गया. सिंप्लीफाई करने पर 30 माइनस 18 दैट इज यहाँ पर 12 हो गया, यहाँ पर 18 हुआ. y इज इक्वल टू 12 बाई 18 दैट इज 2 बाई 6 दुना के 12 छत्री 18, y का मान 2/3 हुआ. मतलब ये हुआ कि कुछ भी करिए आपको वेरिएबल का मान निकालना है और वही उसका सोल्यूशन है. क्लियर है? वी हैव एन इक्वेशन 3 times 5z minus 7 minus 2 times 9z minus 11 is equal to 4 times 8z minus 13 is equal to minus 17. You have to solve this equation. Solve this equation means here at first you should know that what is the variable. Variable is z. So you have to find the value of z. Before finding the value of z, you have to just simplify. Even if it is not told simplify, you don't have any other go. You cannot do anything else. You have to simplify. So if you are going to simplify, you will bring this 3 inside. So what is you are going to write? 3 into 5, that is 15z, minus this minus to 3 into 7, it is 21. I am doing directly. This minus when goes inside, then plus will become minus, minus will become plus because multiplication. So it is minus 18z, and minus minus plus how much? 22 is equal to 4 into 8. It is 32z minus 4 into 13, 52, and minus 17. I hope it is clear. 4 into 8, 32z, 4 into 13, 52, and here minus 17, it comes as usual. Now just see, 15z minus 18z is equal to minus 3z. Remember, 15z minus 18z is equal to minus 3z. Minus 21 plus 22 is equal to plus 1. Minus 21 plus 22 plus 1 is equal to 32z minus minus 52 minus 17. Two integers, negative integers are to be added. So it is 9 and here it is 16. So this is 69. I hope it is clear. Now you are going for what? If you want, remember, if you want, you could have written 32z minus 69 is equal to minus 3z plus 1. I have already told you that if you want the whole left hand side could be written in the right hand side and right hand side in the left hand side, then you don't have to change any sign. When the single term is transformed, then only plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus, multiplication division, and division converted into multiplication. So here this one I have written here, this one I have written here. Now this is 32z. This 3z is coming to the left hand side. So this is equal to plus 3z. This is equal to 1. This minus 69, when transformed to the right hand side, it becomes how much? Plus 69. Able to follow? This way, this is 35z is equal to 70. So z is equal to 70 divided by 35 is equal to 2. So the answer is z is equal to 2. अगर आपके पास प्रश्न इस तरह का दिया हुआ है तो z इसमें चर है, इसको सबसे पहले सरल किया गया है, 3 से मल्टीप्लाई किया गया, अंदर लेकर के -2 से किया गया तो -18 हुआ, ये +22 हो गया, ये 32z हो गया, -52 सिंप्लीफाई करने पर हमारे पास -3z + 1 हो गया, 32 - 69 हुआ। इसको अगर हम चाहते हैं तो इसको यहाँ लिख सकते हैं, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा। z को एक साथ मिला दिया तो ये हो गया 32z + 3z = 35z, और ये 69 उधर चला गया था, +1 पहले से है तो यह 70 हो गया, z का मान हो गया 2, यही इसका आंसर होगा। ठीक है। We have a very interesting question. Here it is 0.25 inside the bracket 4f - 3 is equal to 0.05 multiplied by 10f - 9. Number 1, the variable is f, not x, y, z, t. So the very first thing you should always keep in mind is variable is f. The second thing, that here now the decimal numbers have appeared. So there are two ways. If you want, you just simplify, you just multiply, there's no problem. But if you play smartly, you can think a step ahead. एक आगे स्टेप बढ़ के सोचो, आप इसको क्या लिख सकते हो? Remember, I am not going the way it is expected to do. I am going differently. So can you write this one as 25 by 100 into 4f minus 3, and here it is 0.5 by 100, here it is 10f minus 9. Can you write like this? Just see, this 100 gets cancelled. You don't have to bother. One more thing, it is 25 Here it is 4f minus 3 is equal to 5, 10f minus 9. If you want, you can divide by 5 also. So here it is 5 and here it is 5 gets cancelled. Now you simplify, it becomes very easy. What you will have? 5 into 4, it is 20f minus 5 into 3, 15 is equal to 10f minus 9. This 10f comes this side. What will happen? 20f minus 10f is equal to minus 9 plus 15. What you will have? It is 10f is equal to 6. Therefore, x is equal to 6 by 10. 6 by 10 means it is 0.6. This is not the smartness, but this is the minimum courtesy, because the whole thing is given in terms of decimal. So we love to write the answer. You could have written that answer is also not wrong. If you write 3 divided by 5, that is not wrong. But preferably, we should write the answer in 0.6. The reason being, everything is given in decimal. So it is intuitively understood. Remember, we can challenge if you write 2 by 3, so no one is going to what? Cut your mark. Unless it is stated, you have to find the answer in terms of decimal. Is it clear now? So आपके पास अगर दिया हुआ है 0.25 4f minus 3 is equal to 0.05 10f minus 9, देखने से लगता है कि भाई सिंप्लीफाई करने के लिए, लेकिन अगर स्मार्टली प्ले करें तो इसको 25/100 और 0 पे एक स्टेप बढ़ के सोचना पड़ेगा. 0 0 100 100 कैंसिल हो गया, बाकी इस 25 को 5 से कर दिया, उसके बाद सिंप्लीफाई करके 10f इज इक्वल टू 6 आया, f का मान 6/10 यानी 2/5 हो 3/5 हुआ. लेकिन हम प्रेफरेबली इसका आंसर किस में लिखेंगे? आंसर लिखेंगे f इज इक्वल टू 0.6. ये शराफत वाली बात है. क्यों? क्योंकि यहाँ क्वेश्चन जो है उसमें डेसिमल अपीयर हुआ है, तो जब दशमलव अपीयर हुआ है तो हमारा आंसर भी दशमलव में आना चाहिए, इसीलिए हमने इसको इतना किया. देखिए, दिस इज एक्सरसाइज 2.2, द फर्स्ट सॉल्ड एग्जांपल. रिमेंबर, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट सॉल्ड एग्जांपल. You are given this one. It's not necessary that, say, I'm not going the way it has been done in the book. That is why I am trying to do this question here. If you want, and if you feel, I can do this way, so you see, what can you write? Here, the base, what is that? LCM is 3. Here you can have 6x plus 1 plus 3 is equal to x minus 3 by 6. Is there any difficulty? LCM is 3. 3 यहाँ आ गया, 6x plus 1. And the very interesting thing, there's 3 here into 2. 3 2 is 6. By this side 3, that is 2. And now you can have 6x plus 4, bring this to this side, is equal to x minus 3. 6x plus 4, 2 comes this side. This is equal to 12x plus 8 is equal to x minus 3. Bring this x this side. 12x minus 6 is equal to minus 3 minus 8. 8 goes to the right hand side. This implies that 11x is equal to minus 11. Therefore, x is equal to minus 11 by 11 is equal to minus 1. So the answer is x is equal to minus 1. If you want, you can verify. If you ask to check the answer, take left hand side, put x is equal to minus 1, see that the value you get in the left hand side is equal to the value you get in the right hand side. It is always done. मैंने इसमें क्या किया, अगर हमारे पास ऐसा क्वेश्चन दिया हुआ है तो पहले हमने बाएं पक्ष को सिंप्लीफाई कर लिया, दाहिने पक्ष को वैसे ही रहने दिया, 3 से 6 कैंसिल हो गया, 2 हो गया, फिर इस 2 को हम यहाँ लेके चले आए. सिंप्लीफाई करने पर हमारे पास x का मान -1 आ गया. दिस इज हाउ वी सॉल्व द एग्जांपल. We have an equation. This is solved example again, and I'm not going again. Why actually I am doing the solved example? Because I don't want that one way of doing the thing has already been explained in the book. You can always refer NCERT book, example number 17. What I'm trying to do it, let's think differently so that you will not get confined to a particular method and you don't have to cram the whole thing. Here, When we are given this one, let's see how actually we can go. Let's simplify. While simplifying, you can write it is 5x minus 2 into 2x minus 4x plus 14. Just see what I am doing. This minus 2 taken inside, it becomes 2 into 2x, become minus 4x, minus minus plus is 14, is equal to, this is 3x, 2 into 3x, 6x, 2 into 3x, 6x, minus 2 plus 7 by 2. Remember, we have not touched the 7 by 2, we have left as it is. Now let's see what actually going to happen. This is 5x minus 4x. It is x plus 14 is equal to 6x minus 2 plus 7 by 2. Ultimately, you have to get the value of x. So for that, you can have 6x this side. Just see, x minus 6x is equal to minus 2 plus 7 minus 14. I hope it is clear what I am trying to do it. 6x is shifted to the left hand side, 14 to the right hand side. It becomes minus 5x is equal to minus 16 plus 7 by 2. Let's simplify. This one is 1. What is there? LCM is 2. Minus 32. Minus 32, just see, 16 into 2, 32, and plus 7, which is equal to minus 25 by 2. This is the value of minus 5x. Minus 5x is equal to minus 25 by 2. Minus 32 plus 7 is equal to minus 25. 25 7 32. Just see minus minus plus, and x is equal to 25 by 2. Here it is 5. So the answer is 5 by 2. So the answer is, what is that? X is equal to 5 by 2. इस प्रश्न को आप ऐसे देख लें. अगर ये ऐसे दिया हुआ है तो कुछ नहीं करना है, इसका सरलीकरण कर देना है. सरलीकरण करने के लिए 5x को ऐसे छोड़ दिया, 2 को अंदर लेके 4x हो गया, माइनस माइनस प्लस 14 हुआ. ये 6x हो गया, ये माइनस 2 हो गया, 7 बाई 2 के साथ कोई छेड़खानी नहीं. 6x को यहीं रहने दिया, ये माइनस 2 प्लस 7 बाई 2 हो गया, लेकिन ये 5x माइनस 4x का मान 1x हुआ प्लस 14 हुआ. इस 6x को हम लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में लेके बाएं पक्ष में लेके चले गए. 14 को हम इस साइड में लेके आए तो माइनस 2 प्लस 7 बाई 2 माइनस 14 हुआ. माइनस 2 माइनस 14 को माइनस 16 प्लस 7 बाई 2 लिख दिया. इन दोनों का एलसीएम 2 हो गया, माइनस 32 प्लस 7 हो गया, माइनस 25 बटा 2 हो गया. यहाँ पर x माइनस 6x का मान माइनस 5x हुआ. माइनस 5x था और यहाँ माइनस 25 था, माइनस माइनस प्लस हो गया. x का मान 25 बटा 5 दैट इज, और यहाँ पर तो 2 पहले से ही है तो 5 बटा 2, आंसर इसका हो गया 5 बटा 2. Dear students, we have done exercise 8.2. We have taken up each and every question of NCERT, exercise 8.1, 8.2, and in the first video, I have given the introduction. We have discussed the SARD sample also. Along with this, I have tried my best to make you think differently, not the way it has been done in the book itself. Because see, that is the beauty of the subject. Once you start thinking on your own, once you start thinking of the next step and develop your own style, then you will start enjoying mathematics. It's very simple. Now, in the next video, we will see the questions beyond NCERT. So far, we have seen NCERT. Now, we'll go beyond NCERT. We'll take up some question from other books, any book, reference book. I think almost all the reference books, whatever you are having, we'll try to take up the question from those books. Plus, we'll discuss different types of questions, that is filling the blank, MCQ, match the following, or all sort of question. Then reasoning questions. If it is a case study question, we'll try our best to have this type of question in the next video. So I wish you all the best. In case you have any difficulty, you can always write in the comment box, in case by chance if there is some error has crept in. So please write in the comment box in case you have any difficulty. If you like, you please write like. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe the channel and try to have the journey with me, because see, you have to do excellent. You have to perform. I don't believe in getting 100 and 100. No, there you should be radiating the joy and the success from your personality. I pray Almighty to be with you all. Love you. All the best.